Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permission and format, pick a track with a clear license, and download the highest quality file. Once done, save proof of license and the original audio in a project folder because YouTube checks and disputes happen. Next, decide if you need stems or an instrumental. This lets you duck music under speech. Make a copy for editing and set your video timeline frame rate and sample rate to match the audio to avoid sync issues. You now import the track into your editor and align it with the cut, trim to content, and loop or crossfade if needed. Then mix. Use volume automation or sidechain-like ducking so dialogue stays clear. Reduce music by around 6 to 12 dB during speech. Once done, apply gentle EQ to remove competing mids and add a high pass if bass muds the voice. Make a short reference render and listen on headphones and speakers to confirm balance. You finish by exporting at correct codecs and loudness. Aim for roughly -14 LUFS for streaming, encode at recommended bitrates, and upload. Then add precise music credits and a link to the license in your description, plus timestamps. If YouTube flags a claim, respond quickly. Submit your license or proof and use the dispute flow, explaining why the use is allowed. If audio sounds off after upload, recheck sample rate, re-render, and replace the track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.